We're going good, so let's add a visual detail to the game. So if turret's ammo is lower or equal to 0, and trigger once, set it to frame number 1, which is the one empty. Okay, let's remove this, since in that way it only affects the first turret that runs out of ammo. Put the whole event inside the fire rocket ammo, the fire rocket function. Now create a global variable score, and when the explosion collides with enemy, add 50 to score. Now to show the score, you can use sprite fonts like in previous videos, but this time we're showing you a different way. It might look too complicated, but for me at least, it's more flexible in terms of design. First, add a score sprite to the GUI object, then create a new animation named numbers, and set the speed to 0. Import frames and be sure to have 0 on frame 0, 1 in frame 1, and so on. Now create your interface. And then have 6 digits in place. We already added 2 variables to the GUI object. One is order, which is a text variable, and the second is index, which is a number. Now select the 6 instances and set order as score and index from 0 to 5. Then, after adding the score, call a function score update. Create the function score update, check if the animation playing is numbers, and that if order is score. Then set animation frame to this expression. Okay, let me explain what's going on here. Imagine you have a score of 150. The value score is 150. Then, as you know, zeropath score column 6 would give 000150. Then we're converting that value to a string. Next, we extract a character of that string using the mid expression, using the string, an index of the GUI object, and a length of one character. So for example, index 0, 1, and 2 equals 0. Index 3 equals 1. Index 4 equals 5. And index 5 equals 0. And finally, we convert that to a number to specify which animation frame will be used by the object. The reason why I prefer this very complicated method is that now I can move every single digit and they will work the same. And that's something you can't do with a sprite font.